Shona Ferguson and Connie Ferguson lose a loved dog in their family. Connie Ferguson recently took to Instagram to share some sad news about their current family situation. Their family dog has passed away. The dog, named King Jessie, had been with the Ferguson family for the past 14 years and was their youngest daughter's ride or die. The actress shared a few of Jessie pictures with the following message: "A good 14 years with you. Thank you for being our best friend, Alicia's ride or die for most of her life, and the strongest, bravest dog ever. You are indeed royalty. Rest in power, King Jessie. Thank you for the memories." Celebs with dogs Parsi Kotal and Boyti Thulo sent their condolences. This is not the first time the Fergusons have opened up about the loss. Shona and Connie Ferguson mourned the death of the Ferguson patriarch, Mr. Peter Harry Ferguson, in May 2019. Connie Ferguson wrote the following on her Instagram at the time: "Special does not even begin to describe you. The moments spent with you will forever be entrenched in our memories. Heaven has gained a soldier." Yeah.